Introduce highlight features and quick overview of TaoTronics air fryer. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features are included. TaoTronics air fryer. Fry with less oil. Love deep fried food but don't want all that oil? Air fryer gives you the best of both. It uses hot air circulation to evenly cook food that would otherwise be submerged in hot oil. 6 QT basket and 11 preset menus offer various solutions for easy and quick weeknight meals for the whole family. Feel free to pull out the frying pan to check the food during cooking, for the air fryer would automatically stop without the pan inside or when the timer ends, and resume cooking when you put it back. Cook and eat safely with the TaoTronics air fryer that consists of heat-resistant premium PP material shell, metal frying pan and basket, and an always cool to touch basket handle. Carry effortless and straightforward operation on the ergonomically designed 7 inches touchscreen control panel that is titled at 13 degrees angle, avoiding stooping down and backache over everyday cooking. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.